Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ahrefs keyword difficulty history data, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Ahrefs keyword difficulty history data, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Ahrefs website. Log into your Ahrefs account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Keywords Explorer section found in the main menu. In the search bar, enter the keyword you want to analyze. Select the appropriate country or region from the drop-down menu. Click the search button to retrieve data for your keyword. After the results load, scroll down to the keyword difficulty section. Here, you will see the current keyword difficulty score. To access the historical data, locate the History tab near the top of the section. Click on the History tab to view the keyword difficulty trend over time. To download this data, look for the Export option, usually represented by an icon or button. Click on the Export button to begin the download process. Choose the format in which you want to download the data, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection, and the file will be prepared for download. Once ready, the file will automatically download to your designated folder. Open the downloaded file to view the keyword difficulty history data. You can now analyze the trends and insights from the data you've downloaded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.